I'm Swaroop Jitu Mahapatra from Orimark Property into real estate transactions and advisory since last 29 years. Thanks to all of my viewers for viewing, subscribing and advising me for necessary updates. Thanks to the stakeholders of the industries, builders, realtors, bankers, policymakers whose idea inspired me into my new role as real estate analyst. Last week, my broadcast was on real state of real estate in the country. It was largely viewed and very well appreciated. This week, my coverage is on post-pandemic real state of Odisha real estate, which includes government initiative, supply and demand status of housing stocks, prospective consumers' behavior in the current situation. In Odisha, Bhubaneswar is visible as the major contributor in real estate, being the state capital and most happening city. Migrant influx has made the city into more than 18 lakhs inhabitants unofficially as per the population index status. The continuous load on the city since last 15 years influenced the policymaker to design a sustainable roadmap for its engagement. Government schemes to accommodate economically weaker class, middle income group, higher income group through different business model was never been an encouraging one till time. Positioning Bhubaneswar as one among few leading smart city of the country, an honest attempt for making it as the health, education and IT hub of Eastern India, our government could showcase the city living and infrastructure to attract investors. This makes our city visible and worth investing. Odisha government has introduced major reform of Development Authority rule. This is a welcome initiative to boost the real estate sectors. This will help catering housing supplies to all the section of home aspirants. ORERA, the real estate regulatory authority of the state, has managed to bridge and boost the trust between the builder, existing and prospective homeowners, which definitely influence the demand for buying. The builder bodies, CREDAI, NAREDCO and Afford collaborates and could manage to influence the policymaker for a sustainable and market-aligned guidelines, which is one among the best to the country. The pandemic situation, along with the regulated operations, consumer empowerment, larger involvement by government, could guide all the connected stakeholders to design a new normal operating process of managing real estate. The financial institutions with smart supports through different package and offers could make this market becoming more proactive. This has become an influential tool for market revival. Unfortunately, micro market like Bhubaneswar couldn't create a marketplace because of poor supply of housing stocks. But the housing finance agencies in Bhubaneswar are constantly engaging in the process of generating a prospecting database for home buyer, which would ultimately cater to a larger supply of expected by the end of 2020. During this pandemic situations, prospective home buyers are confused. The buyers' sentiment are low, but the quest for price, locations, available situations, inquiry is all-time high. Site visits are definitely all-time low. Virtual site visits are taking a momentum. Under constructions and advanced stage delivery projects have taken a momentum and conversion status is moderately high. I am excited. Bhubaneswar market is well set and will be visible with large number of primary stocks within few months. Most importantly, all the stocks are RERA verified. Possible supplies of housing stocks would be around 1500 to 2000 and largely within the price ranging from 4,000 rupees to 6,000 rupees per square feet. My concern is the market ready to absorb the 60% stock supplied within the coming 1 year? I would like to invite all the stakeholders to participate in these discussions, put forward their opinion for the same. Do share this video and subscribe to my channel for more real estate updates.